Do you want to mention someone in Messenger Story? You can tag friends on Messenger Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mention someone in a Messenger Story. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are on Messenger, tap on the Chats tab if you're not already there. At the top of the chat list, tap on the plus icon inside your story. Now, capture a new photo, or select one from your gallery to use as your story background. After adding the photo or video, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will appear. From here, select the @mentioned sticker. You can also tag someone by typing @ in the text and selecting the name of the friend. To tag a friend, type the friend's name. Now, choose the friend you want to mention from the list that appears at the bottom of the screen. You can move and resize the mention tag anywhere on your story. Once you're done editing, tap the Share Now button to post it.